In this short video, I'll show you how to set up a simple ChatGPT writing agent node in N8n. For this one, go ahead and press the plus sign and add a trigger manual. This one right here. Attached to it is another plus sign. Go ahead and press that one and type in OpenAI. You can choose what action you'd like, but for me, I'll use a message A model since we're using a writing agent. Once this up, make sure in the credentials at the top, if you don't have one, go ahead and click create new. It'll ask us an API key. You can go ahead and go to this website known as platform.openai.com/API-keys. Once you've logged in into this site, go ahead and press create new key right here or right here. You can put a name. I'll just put in N8n as an example and just create new key. There you go. It'll generate a key. Once that's done, you can go ahead and copy it. Go back to your N8n and paste it in the API key. Save it, and that should work. And there we go. Connection is tested successfully. You can go ahead and press escape. And let's go and do what we need to do with the node. First, make sure that the resource is text. The operation A model is this one at the first. Now, we can choose what model we can use, but for this one, we'll use a ChatGPT 4.0 or 4.1 basically, instead of 3.5, which is right here. Because 3.5 is currently being phased out soon, so 4 or 4.1 offers the best writing and reasoning capabilities so far. It's also the most cost effective to run, so we can go ahead and choose this one. And let's in the prompt the message in the message box right here, make sure to input or make sure to use prompts just like how you would use in a regular ChatGPT. Give it a clear, concise instructions, specify what to include, and mention any overused words or phrases to avoid. So it writes exactly the way you want. Something like, for me, I'll just say something like say hello as a very quick prompt. But like I said, make sure you use concise instructions to get what you want basically. So yeah, now you know how to set up a simple ChatGPT writing agent node and N8n. You can watch this playlist if you ever get stuck with this problem.